Hey y'all, well we're back at it. We didn't finish with this tree last time, so we've still got half the job to do. So we're back up here today. You can probably see it's not the best day in the world for the weather. The wind is gusting a little bit right now, and Neo's having a little trouble with that. But I brought my bigger saw today. We're going to finish cutting up this log. It's probably about a 15 to 20 foot log we've got here, and so it's a lot of wood. We're going to chop that up. We've got all of this wood here. We got to pick up a whole lot of branches. We're going to put that in the truck and haul it up here to where we're going to burn stuff. So we're going to do that. It's freakishly warm today for being the 8th of February. It's 70 something degrees. They're talking about it's going to top out at 75 today. We're probably pretty close to that right now. So makes for a nice day to get out here and pick up sticks though. So we're going to do that. It's not raining on us yet. Not supposed to until later. So hopefully we'll get a lot of this tree cleaned up, and then we can move on to the next project, because there's always something to do on the property. Anyway, but it is a pleasant day to be out here doing some stuff, so I'm happy about that, and hopefully we'll get a lot of work done today. You probably can't see this, but there are mosquitoes swarming on February the 8th. And we've got mosquitoes swarming at Stonywood. February the 8th, I can't believe it. I don't know if you can see them. Well, we got about 20 minutes till it gets dark out here, and we didn't get it all done today, but we probably got, depending on how you measure it, we probably got about a quarter of that tree in the back of the truck right now. We're going to put that here on our burn spot. Since this is already burned, we're just going to pile it up here. It's real safe here. So we just got to unload the truck right now. I've got a couple other little chores I got to do before I leave tonight. But this is all we're going to get done on the number 6 dead tree. So there's about 25% of it. And we'll get the rest of it maybe tomorrow. or if not tomorrow, then real soon. So it's been a good day. It's been a real nice day. Every day at Stonywood is a great day. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me. We'll see you next time.